In the serene hills of Nagaland, a quiet revolution is underway. Tetso College is rewriting the story of sustainability one rooftop at a time. With the installation of 120 kilowatt solar rooftop hybrid energy storage system, Tetso College has taken a bold step to reduce its carbon footprint and embrace clean renewable energy. This advanced hybrid energy storage setup not only powers the campus with solar energy, it stores it, ensuring reliability even during grid outages. It's smart, it's sustainable, and it's scalable. But this milestone wasn't achieved alone. Behind the scenes, A&D Solar Enterprise brought vision, expertise, and execution to life. From system design to installation and long-term maintenance, A&D Solar Enterprise delivered a turnkey solution tailored to Tetso's needs. Their commitment to quality and community empowerment made this transformation possible. The impact: over 150 metric tons of CO2 emissions avoided annually, significant savings on electricity bills, and a living left for students to learn sustainability in action. Tetso College is now more than an academic institution. It's a beacon of climate leadership in Northeast India. Together, Tetso College and A&D Solar Enterprise are proving that clean energy isn't just a choice, it's a responsibility, and the future is already here. Join us in celebrating this milestone, because when education meets innovation, the impact is limitless.